Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel. I am Mustafiz and in today's video I am going to show you how to track Calendly from submission using Google Tag Manager for GA4. Without further delay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is Google Tag Manager interface and this is the website and this is the Calendly from. So today we will show you how can we track Calendly from. Okay, so at the first time we have to uh, so you can see here this is the custom HTML script for Calendly from. So we need to copy the total script and this is the HTML code, you know that. And I'm going to create new tag and already I click a new button. Okay, and we need to find custom HTML and this is the custom HTML option and I'm going to click here. Okay, we need to paste the total code here and we need to use all the pages as a trigger and, and now create a new tag name. We can type in here HTML tag. We can use HTML. We can use HTML Calendly and that's great. Now we can save that and now we need to create a variable and this is the built-in variable which one automatically on the Google Tag Manager and this is the user defined variable. We can this is like custom made variable. We can we can create variable manually and now we need to click on the new and we should find the data layer variable. Yes, this is the data layer variable and we can copy and this is the script and we can copy that. Okay, currently event copy and paste here and the name is DLB Calendly event. Okay, so this is the DLB Calendly event. That's great. So now we can go the preview mode. So what can we see? We can see everything on the preview mode. Okay, we can choose a date and this is the time frame and we can use as a test only. We can put the phone number. We can just put manually for only for testing purpose. We can put a URL and we can put any other thing. Everything is only for testing purpose. And So we can see what happening. Can you see? We can see right now. We can see Calendly event here, and we can see everything here Calendly here, and we can see DLP Calendly event and event schedule. Can you see that? So when we submit the form, and we can see event schedule, and this is event schedule. Yeah, 31 is working. Okay, 31. And now we can create a tag. If we want to send the all of the data from Calendly on the if we want to send the data on GA4 platform, so we need to click on the new button, and we can see Google Analytics, and this is yeah. So we need to put the measurement ID here. So how can we get that? Yes, here we can find the measurement ID, and we need to copy. I wanted to call it. Okay. So need to copy here, click here. Select by to and event name. This is the event name. Event is Calendly. You can see here event is Calendly, and we need to paste the event name here. So that's okay, and we can at the first time we have to create a trigger. How can I find the trigger? So we can use as a custom event. So we can use as a custom event, and this is the event. We need to copy the event and paste here. And can you remember we created DLV Calendly? We need to select that and paste and DLV event, and this is the event schedule, and we need to also copy that. Then our trigger will working. Okay. Calendly submit trigger, and then we need to save that. Everything is going to fine. And event name, we can use anything as an event. So we can use Calendly. We can use Calendly submit as an event name, and that's fine. So now I'm going to create a Calendly event tag name. Calendly from submit, so from submit tag. So whatever you want, you can put anything here. This is just personal opinion. Okay, so I am going to save that. Yeah, our tag is finally done. Our tag setup is finally done. So now we can check that our tag is working or not. So I am going to again preview. Connect. Okay, so we need to go on the Calendly form. So we need to find out the Calendly form. Yes, I find out the form, and can you see there are two debugger mode tag assistant. There are two tag assistant. One is one of the only for website, and one of the only for Calendly, because Calendly is like a iframe. Calendly domain is another domain, and this is our like domain means this is our website based domain headstart.marketing, and Calendly domain is calendly.com, like that. So that's why we can see there are two debugger from GTM. And if I select it on the 31 and 12 and right now I am going to checking the thing our tag is working or not. We can use test if demo phone number. We can just copy that as a company website. And schedule time. Okay. Can you see our Calendly form submit is working? Can you see? Yes, 31. Can you see Calendly tracking form is working? That means our Calendly form tracking is done, and this data will go on the Google Analytics 4 platform. So as well as if you want to send the data on the Google ads and the Facebook ads and the TikTok ads, we can do everything. We can send the data every platform. Okay. And if I go to the analytics, then we can check that. If I go the debug view, can you see? If I go to the debug view, Calendly submit is working. Just few minutes ago, I set up Calendly submit as a event name, and where you can see that, yeah, Calendly submit as a event name, and you can see here Calendly submit. This is working as event name, and this is what this is only fire only one time. Can you see? Google Analytics 4 GA4 event fire only one time. That means this is working perfectly. And for the final checking, we can see here on the debug view, Calendly submit is also working. So guys, in this video, I already teach you how can we set up Calendly form tracking and send the data on the GA4 platform. And so thank you to see the video to set up Calendly form tracking and spending time to watch my video. Thank you.